pandemic. Now, for those confused about pandemic versus epidemic.
First of all, remember that it is always about loving your parents and never about
wait, why is that guy backing up?
Get an inheritance. Caring for aging parents should be an act of love.
Subaru drivers.
Not a runaround to beef up what they might leave you. It's really important to me. It's a reminder that this world is not our home. We only get to be here for a little while. And all these blessings we
What was that?
that spurred you, and you said it was your retirement situation. That's what caused you to get more serious. I don't think
the police officer runs the stop sign. What a great example for the rest of us.
Many Somali men, particularly the young men who cruised around Mog on technicals, vehicles with 50 caliber machine guns in his command post, poised, ready to pounce. Take the previous night, for instance.
No,
First,
turn on red.
Informed that Aidid, who had been
too late.
codenamed
Red in the left lane and the other side too.
Made you go up by 3 points. Rather than just giving yourself up all the way down the fucking field. You got Drew fucking Breezy.
Really? Nissan drivers? Red. Toyota.
$284.25.
That's crazy. She
Been
wouldn't mess around.
taking FPU since September of last year.
Red light runner.
5,560.
Good.
Kind of fill out all of our early math showed that 49ers was going to be 50% better.
You can go now.
And the Chiefs had markets come out.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
It's not an actual edge. It's not a physical edge. It's just it's a horizon.
Whoa!
That's
Up
all
there.
it is.
Sheesh.
If you go to that edge,
Up to $200 off mattress orders for our listeners.
Uh-oh,
Get up
ducks.
to $200 off.
Jaywalking ducks. Or gooses. Yeah, there's no one else coming.
really?
Between 0 and 10, 1/2.
Between 0 and 10, 1/2.
Really?
Oh, between 0 and 10, 1/2.
Yeah.
Neil is. We thought it was flat, and then this guy comes out. He says no, it's round, and then they
Red.
kill him.
Yeah.
And then we also thought we were the.
I'll go. Oh, hey, Prius! Guess Prius. We had to get over here for some reason.
So
Do,
The
do,
fucking-
do,
the
do,
way
do,
to
do,
get-
do,
it's the way to
do,
get
do, my spidey senses tingling. Do, 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 do. Says no, turn on red up there. Do, 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 do. Sounds like Baby Shark, but it's not really Baby Shark. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, he turns. Do, do, do.
Hold on, though.
You can't be in yet. This is not in California yet. It sucks.
It'll get there. It'll get there. But hold on. Let
What
me
the
make sure I
fuck
get
are
this
you
correct.
doing, man? And this guy's turning from the left lane, and okay, now this guy finally turns.
Are effectively non-religious today. Jews,
dual
Muslims,
turn fail.
nuns. The United
March 13th, the FDA allowed the state to start testing. In 10 days, we have gone from testing 1,000 people
That guy.
to 16,000 people.
Here's Guide to Medical Myths, Exaggerated Claims, and Bad Advice. How to tell what's real and what's not. That's what this broadcast is. It's an
Really?
explanation of what's real, what's not.
Yeah, you're making that right
COVID-19
turn.
First detected in Wuhan.
Red light runner. Oh shit! freaking BMW. That's gonna grab me.
Used to be something that you saw all the time on fucking ESPN. Every time I turned to ESPN, it'd be poker.
I'd still watch it. I think it's
don't do it. Yeah, good.
That have studied hours and hours of heads up poker, which I haven't done.
Right.
So if a guy comes off to me off the street and says,
someone was in the wrong lane. In the wrong lane because it looked Prius-ish, but it's actually a Ford Fusion. Red light runners.
But we want to see where, what people can do in that level playing field. Where can you push the boundaries?
One day I want to see
Red
a
light.
football game that's on a painkillers not level.
Oh, thanks, man.
I don't know. So you were watching the game or tweeting? What were you doing?
You know what? I only tweeted during the halftime.
Holy crap, that Honda.
I was actually watching the game.
Because Honda.
And then halftime came up.
And because Jeep.
I started watching, and of course,
Jeez.
it's very Latino. Yes. Boom.
Okay, next question.
Let's move on.
No. So here's the thing. I don't think a black hole
Really?
knows it's a black hole.
He lives alone, has no family, right?
Really?
He fucking goes to the hospital. He can't make his payments.
To prevent himself from being saved. I'm like, I hope I got that right because I read that he put detergent on the floor, so the guards
looks
would be
like
able to get their
someone's
footing.
lost.
He put like cardboard in the fuck.
Does that look like an emergency vehicle to you? I don't know. I doubt it. Whoa, what are you doing? You're getting a little crazy. Oh, now you're, holy shit, don't overcorrect. Exit dive. Line cutter. Yeah.
Oh, so it's not even a COVID thing. You're trying to turn around pre-COVID Jim Norton.
Maybe, yeah, but I mean, COVID is kind of just brought into it. Like, I'm just so restless and uncomfortable.
Guess first? Can we guess first? No, so I'm asking for myself. I'm not going to put it on the list.
Nope.
Oh, yeah, you get Berkey up a guess?
I was going to say the entrance to the Lincoln Tunnel.
Have Tommy think he was going to get made. He thought he was going to his christening. He got all slicked up. He wanted to look good. Two of his own crew came to pick...
Punches from falling gives no meaning to it all. It's not today and not tomorrow, just another day.
The fact that we always hear that some people just can't handle math. What do you do about that?
What you do is you realize that
you just keep going anyways.
Math class.
Use anything that will supposedly pseudo-empower people.
That a 1954 Gallup poll shows that
You
more
ran right
people
through the
knew
stop.
about the polio vaccine field trials than knew that.
I don't think the Brinks truck is an important enough vehicle to be making an illegal U-turn. Or actually, no, it's Garda. Never mind.
So, like you said, folks, it's not finished. Just a quick question for you, actually. My husband and I, like I said, finished financial.
I wonder what the cones are for. Really? Another one that doesn't stop right away. Again, this what? The, I guess you're not turning left. Weird. What the frick? It was still red when you started going.
Much money to me for somebody who hasn't won at the moment. We'll say so. Let me ask this.
Red light runner.
How much money if you have half your land?
Wait, that guy was in the right lane, wasn't he? I'll go and check the film.
A weightlifter, I don't know. Yeah. Even to us from far away.
Good thing no one was behind me.
Thank you for clarifying that, because I did not.
Okay. God. Damn.
Woo, I'm exhausted.
We got to do more.
Red, no turn on red.
I love this. I love
You're too late.
physics.
Red. It's always a minivan. No trucks in the left lane. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a FedEx truck. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. Well, this is the end of the video, I think. I hope you liked it. Please like and comment and subscribe for more. I always love it when you guys subscribe and comment and stuff. Alright, bye-bye.